July 21st, 2024. How's it going, guys? Well, I've got another video for you, and it's a doozy. What are we going to talk about? Kansas City, Independence, Missouri. We're going to talk about crime. We're going to talk about drugs. We're going to talk about the homeless, and the homeless that causes fires and everything else all over the area. And you know, there's been a lot of these places where they've started fires. I don't know if they've been cooking or whatever else here in Kansas City. But just came back from the zoo. I don't even get much time to post my animals from the zoo anymore because there's so much stuff going on. But see all this big black smoke off in the distance, off about 435 northbound. I'm coming back 63rd Street. First it was like, you know, I wonder if somebody just burning something. But it was a pretty good fire. Now, I don't know. Only thing I could see was up the off ramp. There was a, believe it or not, a half-naked gal running down the ramp. Another homeless gal. A block behind this gal, almost coming down the ramp, was another homeless guy. So I don't know if this, you know, maybe somebody pulled off in a car and caught the brush and the woods on fire. I don't know. But this looked really suspicious here in Kansas City. I don't know what started the fire. From where my angle was, this is what was going on. And definitely the homeless was running from this area. So I don't know what to think about that. I got other videos that will be coming. I got this morning when I went over, got some stuff for breakfast over on Nolan. There was another guy that was passed out, laying right off here off I-70 and 40 highway up here on Nolan Road. I'm going to be showing. We've had crazy things. The old Sonic over on Nolan's gone because something, either a car ran into it or the whole canopy collapsed underneath. Couldn't tell what had happened. We'd just been there just not a week ago and got some like shakes there. And it was like, what happened there? Did they close or what happened? But we didn't know when we went by it the first time. We were actually going, what was it? That would have been like eastbound. And we didn't know that half the canopy on one corner had been taken out. I don't know if that was just something collapsed or if somebody ran into it here in Independence, Missouri. And then I got another video coming. Somebody tried to run through my driveway when I was getting ready to pull out. Not a good idea. And they came off Willis off here too. Now, you know, I've talked about a red truck that's been going up and down all night long. This was a red truck. I don't know if it was the same one, but they found out don't go through the driveway here. And I can drive anywhere I want on my property. And they need to stay off my property. So we'll get on with this first. We'll show this first. I'll get these other videos out later here in Independence in Kansas City. So hold on, guys. Okay, guys, now this is up off the south side, okay? Now we're still pretty far away, but I'm gonna go ahead and click this. And where you see this vehicle right here, you can see smoke billowing up. And I mean, this doesn't really do it justice, but we're gonna see it a lot closer. Now this is if you're going 435 southbound, but this is off the northbound ramp going, well, it'd be a 435 northbound up here at 63rd Street. This just happened. Let's see, it's 3:48 now. It could have been less than maybe 48 minutes ago, around 3 o'clock or maybe 3:10. But this fire was going massive, and there was homeless up here panhandling, of course. There's one over here right now walking along there. But I want to show this, like I say, I'm going to advance this on up a little bit here. I want to show this real quick. So we're going to advance this on up, and we're heading up towards like where 63rd Drive-In is. And the trees hide basically the, let's see, there's more going across there. Another homeless. But, let's see if I can go back here. So hold on. You can see how much black billowing smoke. Now this looked like it was coming off the woods. I don't believe it was a car, but what bothered me was that there was some homeless coming down that ramp. And this one gal looked like she was in her panties and basically her underwear and her bra. And then a block behind her was another homeless guy. I'm going to show this here. I want you guys to see how that smoke was going up. Now, this is Kansas City here. And that's all this does, between the drugs and the homeless and the stuff. And everybody's, like I say, there's a lot of them out there pushing these drugs. They think it's just great, man. I mean, it's like a big old cesspool. They want more of a cesspool here in Kansas City. I post these videos to try to keep the cesspool down and out. Now, let's see here. There's an old homeless guy. It's supposed to be a vet. He's been there for over a year and a half and still nothing never going down on that. It's got the umbrella right there. But not this ramp as you're getting on. But the next ramp here where you would be coming down. Let's see if I can, whoa. You can see how that's much smoke's billowing off in the woods over there. And like I say, I couldn't see, if going up the ramp, eyesight, I couldn't see past the top of the ramp. But I could see it looked like it was off by those bushes and trees over there. Whether it was a car that was off the side of the road, I don't know. But man, that was a lot of smoke just for, even if it was a car. It's hard to believe. Now I'm going to show this. Now they're going to look like two, just like line string beans. And then we got more homeless over here, as you can see. That could be their camp. There might be their camp up in the woods. So, let's see if I can get this here. What we can see here in a second. Okay, guys. Let's see here. Let me get a little bit further than this, you can see. Right here is a gal. And there's another guy right up almost the top up here. Now he looked like kind of scroungy, dirty. This gal here, you can't see her clearly, but she only had like underwear and a bra on, and she was running down this ramp. And that just makes me think that they had something over here and caught something on fire. Not good, guys. But I wanted to show that, get that out there. Like I said, I got more videos coming. Early this morning, there's a guy passed out over on Nolan Road, laying there. Lots of things going on here. And then I'll show that vehicle. Tried to pull through the driveway. Didn't make it through my driveway. I'm getting a little bit upset about these lefty people doing this stuff like that. You know? Because they want all this chaos. They want all this. Anyway, hold on, guys.